Welcome to the roof of Mid-State Stevens Point campus. Behind me is our brand new solar installation, which we're about to cut the ribbon on. So this installation is 135 solar panels, every one of them donated by the Cooleyard Solar Foundation as part of their Solar on Schools grant. Now, this array was installed earlier this summer by students enrolled in our Renewable Energy Technician program. Now that was part of an advanced solar installation class. Now that particular class was developed through a partnership with the Midwest Renewable Energy Association, several of their technical colleges, and was underwritten by a Department of Energy grant. So thank you to our donors and our sponsors and our collaborators. Now, the leader of that installation is our new Renewable Energy Technician instructor. So it's my pleasure to introduce Craig Butke. Craig has been an instructor for us at a part-time basis for the past 10 years, a previous owner of Northwind Solar, and now our full-time instructor. So Craig, tell us how this works.
Earlier this summer, myself and a small group of fantastic students built this solar array by socially distancing one module apart. They're just over a little over 6 feet. The array is a ballasted roof-mounted system. The pavers hold the system down so there's no roof penetrations. The modules are a bifacial module. They're able to collect energy on the front side and also on the back side. So as a photon of light hits the solar panel, it creates DC current, and that current will flow through our wiring over to our inverter, and that changes the DC current into AC that's usable inside the building and can also send power back to the grid. So our DC current comes from our solar array on these wires here, entering into the inverter. The inverter changes that DC current into AC current. It'll flow back out the inverter, down into the building to power our loads, and can also back through the grid.
Once again, thank you to our partners and collaborators on this project: the Cooleyard Solar Foundation, the Midwest Renewable Energy Association, and the Department of Energy. Craig, flip the switch. Here we go.